Hi everyone, this is Matt from Honey and Herbs, and today we're melting lead again. You can see my setup. It's a propane burner. I think it was meant for a chicken fryer. I got my ingot mold, some wood, utensils. That's what I use for flux. And here we have our lead. Some old plumber's lead, welding lead pipes together. I got a thermometer for once it gets hot, and we'll come back when it's melted. Alright, I had to switch around here a little bit because of the way the direction of the wind was going, but we are starting to melt. Slowly getting there. Alright, here we are. What are we at here? Just around 650 Fahrenheit. Gonna wait for it to get just a little bit harder. This side of the pot, I think the wind hits it, makes it just slightly cool enough to still harden. Okay, so everything's all melted. We got some junk forming on the top. It's just impurities, dirt, things like that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to flux it. I'm going to take my sawdust here. We're just going to put a bunch in here. I'm going to mix it in. Any tin or antimony, any metals that we actually want in there. I think what happens is it binds to the carbon structure and gets dissolved back into the lead mixture. All the impurities still float to the top afterwards. So once I give this a good mix, we'll come back. Okay, so I've been mixing here for a couple of minutes. You can see the burnt wood. It's all on the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our slotted spoon. And we're going to try to take all of this out of here. While I was stirring, I scraped the bottom and the sides of the pot very well. Make sure nothing was stuck to the pot itself. Looks pretty clean. But I'm going to flux one more time. And I'll come back. It's after the next flux. You can see the top is a very mirror-like finish. It's very clean now. I mean, it started out as pure lead, or as pure as you could get because it was welding lead, but it was very dirty, like there was dirt stuck to the lead, but now it's very clean. So I'll get set up for getting it into the ingots, and we'll come back. Alright, so basically, just take a ladle. I've heated up my mold here. I'm gonna mold, or ladle into the mold. But I overfill this mold because I do want everything to be connected when I'm done. Like the sections of the mold, I want it all to be connected. So now that it's been solidified a bit, I can take this, flap it over, and there's my connected 3 pounds of ingot. All pure lead. Now I put this back over here, and we do it again. Give that a couple of minutes, and we'll smack it out of the mold. Okay. And there you go. And we just keep doing that until we've gone through the whole pot of lead. Okay, so in the end, we were left with 14 ingots.